What's going on, YouTube? So back after 2 weeks of having the DJI Mini 2 SE. I must admit, man, I really like this drone. I knew I would because all the DJI's products are really great. Regardless of what product you get, from the action cameras to the drones, they're all going to be great quality with these cameras. Now, I did put a light color grade on this thing to give it a little bit more vibrancy with color. But other than that, everything else, you know, the stabilization on this thing is always awesome, especially for a drone at this price point, and me catching it on sale at 200 bucks. For what I paid for this, I cannot complain at all. Would I like to have the remote with the screen, you know, the more upgraded drone? Sure, but I use my iPad Mini 6 with this, so, you know, having a big screen from the iPad works just as well, in my opinion. But the overall colors of this thing, just adding a light color grade to it, is great, it's awesome. The stabilization, you can always expect to be fantastic from DJI. And the overall look of this thing, I really enjoy. Flying it around is very easy. I do have an upcoming video of flying this thing in some tight spaces. I wouldn't recommend most people do it unless they have experience flying a drone for a while. But other than that though, man, for those of you who are wondering and you want to pick up an inexpensive drone, I think it's normally around $279 for this drone. They may have an after Christmas sale where you can probably catch this thing for what I got it for about 200 bucks, maybe a little bit more than 200 bucks. But is it worth it? Absolutely. It doesn't attract a whole lot of attention. It's very small. Most people are not going to see it until you're bringing it in, or hear it until you bring it in, and I normally land it in hand. I'm not saying you have to do that. Obviously, you know, it's your drone. Do what you do with it as you will, but just as a safety precaution, don't do everything you see others people do in their video when it comes to some of these products, because you can end up injuring yourself. But with that being said though, guys, that's going to be it for this video. Just want to do a follow-up after 2 weeks of having the DJI Mini 2 SE. Still an awesome drone. Would I recommend it to people? Absolutely. I would tell you, if this is your first time looking at purchasing a drone, this is an awesome drone for a beginner drone. I just like the size of it and being able to just pull it out anywhere, take it up, and have a lot of fun with it. All right, guys, that's it. I'm out. Peace. Enjoy the rest of your day.